Alright, today we're going to learn about a different kind of equation. We've learned about slope-intercept form, and now we're going to learn about point-slope form. Slope-intercept takes the slope and the y-intercept. Point-slope takes a point and the slope. Alright, so I'm going to take a look at this first one. So slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So where the m is, I put in -3. And where my b is, I don't really know it, but you could find it out. There's a couple of different ways. But what we've really been doing is plugging in our given numbers. So 5 is equal to -3 times 0 plus b. -3 times 0, that cancels out. b equals just 5. So what's my equation? Y equals -3x plus b. Nothing new there. Now it's time to graph. I'm going to start by plotting my y-intercept, which is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it tells me I'm going to put this over 1. So I will go down 3 into the right one. 1, 2, 3, 1. And I could continue that. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. Remember that the slope is the same thing as the rate. And we talked at the beginning that the rate repeats. So here's my line. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this a little different. The equation for this is really easy, but it isn't too helpful for graphing sometimes. But here we go. I'm going to take my equation. For point slope is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Now watch how easy this is. Remember that in an equation you always need the y value and the x value. So y minus, in my point, what's the y value? 5. My slope is already given, it's -3. X minus, and the x1 value from the point is 0. For right now, I'm just going to go ahead and ask you to leave it this way. If you went ahead and wrote y equals -5 equals, y minus 5 equals -3x. And when you multiply by 0, when you distribute, 3 times 0 is 0. If you left off the 0, it would be okay. You could put it in. But you don't want to continue doing anything else from there. Alright, well, how could you use point slope in order to graph? Well, here's what you would do. Find the point that they've given you. 0, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then just do the slope from there. The slope is -3 over 1, so down 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. And I've been given the same graph. In point slope, it is best to find the point that they gave you, such as here, and then use the slope to find the next points. In slope-intercept form, we find the y-intercept from the equation and then go for it from there. I will accept either way, but most of the time you're going to see slope-intercept form used. Alright, thanks.